welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some super cute Dollar Tree DIYs perfect for Easter. If you enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up. Remember to hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed and the bell notification so you can receive emails when I upload new videos. And please go to the comments right now and type in "Welcome Spring." Alrighty guys, let's get on with the video. So for the first DIY, you will need one of these wood wreaths along with some nautical rope, and you will need 2 bunches of the nautical rope to complete this one. Hot glue the end of the nautical rope to the wreath and then start wrapping it around. Once you're almost done with the first batch of nautical rope, you will just want to hot glue that to the wreath, and then take your second strand of nautical rope, hot glue that where the first one ends, and then just repeat the same process of wrapping it around the wreath until you get to the end, and then hot glue that end. Now there's 2 ways that you can use the nautical rope. You can do it like this and hot glue that end down, and then you have a hanger for the wreath, or you can just cut it off and not have a hanger for the wreath and use a door hanger. For the next part of the wreath, you will need one of these signs from the dollar store. And what you'll want to do is just remove the bunny from the sign, and you just do that obviously by using a pair of scissors and cutting it off. Use a piece of sandpaper to sand off the glitter, and once you're done it should look something like this. There may be a little bit of glitter left on it, but that's okay, just get the majority of the glitter off. Next, I'm going to use some chalk paint in the ballet slipper color. Just apply the paint to the bunny. I actually only used 1 coat, but if you want to give it a second coat, you can also do that. The next part is optional, but I just thought it gave it a cute touch. I'm going to use some twine and wrap that around the bunny. So what I did to secure the twine is I just placed a little bit of hot glue on the back, and then I just wrapped it around about 6 or 7 times and hot glued that into the back and cut off the excess. Now I'm going to make a cute little bow, so just cut off a piece and then take some more and wrap it around your fingers. Do that about 6 or 7 times. Pinch it in the middle, and well, cut off the excess first, then pinch it in the middle, and then take the piece that you cut out, wrap that around, and tie it in a knot. Here is my bow. Now I'm just going to apply some hot glue and glue that to the twine that's already on the bunny. To give this cute little guy a tail, I just used a cotton ball, applied some hot glue, and glued it onto the bunny. Grab the wreath and the bunny, apply some hot glue to the back of the bunny, and place it on the wreath. And that's all there is to this cute little bunny wreath. For this next project, I will actually show you 2 different ways to do a DIY, and you will need one of these buckets for each of the ways. The first thing that I did was I got some nail polish remover and I just removed the lettering from the bucket. Here is my bucket once I was done. For the next part, I'm going to use some floral foam. I didn't have one that was big enough, so I just put 2 together and I put those into the bottom of the bucket. For the first DIY, I'm just going to use some of this fake grass, fill that up to the top, and then I just used a pair of scissors to cut off any stray pieces that were hanging over the side. And for this one, I'm going to use some of these egg chalks, and also found these at the dollar store. And I just set those on top of the grass. And that's how simple this DIY is, and I love the way it turned out. I liked the chalk look of the eggs in this one. And for the next DIY, you will need one of these signs, also from the dollar store. And just begin by removing the bunny. And I just took a flat tool and put it under there, and it popped up pretty easy as it's only down with just a little bit of glue. Once I had the bunny removed, then I grabbed a wooden skewer and I just gave that a coat of white paint. I set it aside and let it dry. Once the paint is dry on the wooden skewer, place some hot glue on the back of the bunny and glue the wooden skewer to the bunny. I did the same thing with the bucket as I stuck the floral foam in the bottom, and on top of that I am going to put some of this Spanish moss, also from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to use some lavender. You can either pick up the lavender at the Dollar Tree or also at Walmart. I think it's only like 97 cents at Walmart. Just stick that into the floral foam and just kind of fluff it out till you get the desired look that you like. And the last thing that I did was I stuck the stick with the bunny on it into the pot. And that's all there is to this easy Dollar Tree DIY. And for the last Dollar Tree DIY, you will need one of the bunnies, burlap bunnies from the Dollar Tree. And just start by removing the stitching. I started at the bottom and I kind of pulled it apart and then used the scissors to cut a little bit more. And I just did that all the way around until I had 2 pieces of the bunny. Once I had my bunny taken apart, then I just went around and removed any of the loose string that was around the bunny. To make the pillow, you will need 2 of these Easter towels, also again from the Dollar Tree. Just start by removing the tags and then take the 2 towels and put the good sides together just like this. Now what you'll want to do is hot glue around the towels on the seam, and I just kind of worked in sections, and you will want to go all the way around the towels, and then you will see you'll want to leave a little opening on one of the ends. And here is the opening that I was talking about. Just stick your hand inside of there and turn it inside out, and then reach inside and fluff out the corners. To stuff the pillow, I'm going to use some polyfill fiber. I got this at Walmart and it was under $4, and I just felt like it was the best way to stuff this. But if you have an old pillow, you can use stuffing from that. And just put it into that hole that we left in the pillow and just stuff it as full or not as full as you would like. Once the pillow is stuffed, tuck the two sides together so it has a clean edge, and then hot glue and glue those together. And here is what my pillow looks like at this point. Next, I took the bunny that I cut out and I placed that onto the pillow. And then I just used some hot glue to glue it to the top of the pillow. For the bunny tail, I am going to use one of these bunny tails, also from the dollar store. It was actually a clip, and I just used a pair of scissors and cut the clip off. Then I used some hot glue and I glued it to the bunny. And you guys, that's all there is to this easy and cute bunny pillow, all made from Dollar Tree items. I really hope you guys enjoyed all of these Dollar Tree DIYs, perfect to make your home look extra cute for Easter. If you're still watching, please give this video a nice thumbs up and comment "Welcome to Spring." Until next time, or if you guys have any future video DIYs you'd like to see, leave those in the comments. Until next time, I hope you guys all have an amazing day.